Zach. There is no Prince Zach. So yes, it's Prince Zach. The boy Prince Zach. Yeah, so there with home edition video. Yeah, there home edition video fetch. There look some old videos I'm gonna put off won't forget to watch, but I don't really get none of that. And if you camera move, I don't really forget none of that or anything. And we couldn't get it. Yes sir. Yeah. I'm couldn't get to do none of that or anything. JPS man, I want to check the meter yet, so that's why I'm going to talk to you. So yeah, I couldn't get to do no video or no nothing at all, but we end up getting time to do it because when you get occupied by online school with some things and some work, some up or something, yeah. Get occupied by it, so try my best to do as many things as we can do, but today's video is all about coronavirus! Why the heck we just go on so yeah? It's about the coronavirus, you see. I talk to them about it because someone unroll it very well. Like the man say, unroll him, nah go home Andrew. Nah go home, me not go in Andrew. Yeah, you know what I'm doing? You end up in a jeep or hide under the bed like a big sissy. Yeah. So talk to them about it because I know someone with bad and bull and don't know that, you know. So yeah. First thing, turn on the yard. Second, turn on the yard. Third, turn on the yard. That me I tell you now, I'm gonna say that. We gotta talk about it. Why causes, when you think about cause coronavirus, what make coronavirus one, what make the blah blah blah. Cause people think say a 5G, only 5G they got. No, probably a satellite and a studio, you know, put all that. So yeah, I talk about everything. So here we go into the interesting part of the video. What? Yeah, so we're back. Let us talk. Oh, one more thing. When I go comment and I go, if you comment a lot enough, we can do a video, you comment them, you can react to them, comment them, and tell them how you feel about it, and then things that you want to think about the corona perspective thing, and effects of it to life, and then we talk about it. So yeah, to me, the coronavirus is like, it is man-made, yeah, it's definitely man-made. But, to be honest, there's a certain why, you know, because I try to kill off people, I take people's life away, and innocent people get dead by anything. You know, see a lot of songs make panic. You know, call the one about coronavirus. Bro, 40 PM the one. Yeah, 40 PM Vivo the one. Portland. Link up with me as it. Link up on YouTube and like, share, subscribe to the video. And the music and music is good. You know, 40 PM the one. Some other people do one. I think Kevin took place did do one. I'm not certain if I get to see how many people I talk about it. But yeah. So as me I said now, the coronavirus is like something where you can't see, but you can't see it. Because could they decide somebody and it's somebody off the coronavirus, you don't know. And that's my fear of it. And I really left me hard and go down because now I'm going to say no, I'm going to end up catching it. I'll never see me back. Because we don't know, we know so not cry for me. Because they're going to do it. And it will kill me. Probably 50% of the chance. So make sure you don't have no hand sanitizer, everything if not go on the road, if not go to shop, if not go in a town, and if not go to supermarket or anyway. Make sure you don't have a hand sanitizer, social distance, social distance, stay far from people as best as possible people. And try to tell them that more to survive, more all around for go back to school, we get soon. And I don't know, yeah, talk with them now and everything. Trouble on and something. Yeah. So protect on yourself and everything. So as we mentioned about coronavirus, and coronavirus is like something that will kill, there's a come on and kill everybody inside. Kill everybody. I don't want nothing to happen. None of my subscribers then. And protect on yourself, your zeal. So yeah, coronavirus, I try to kill out everybody. I'm gonna keep repeating myself. I don't know why, because of that alone comes through my brains. Because we're not scared of it. No, like, first time I was scared of something that the coronavirus scared me, not left me out to real nice people. Some people said they know something that left me hard after and I'm going and talking about like this now, literally don't left me hard, it's getting me hard. And it's scared on us as well, people. That coronavirus will kill off people. It's a kill everybody. They say China it cool down now, but now it's a build up back. Most of that nothing. America they cool down, but they like act up now, I mean, what America cool, China they cool, America don't start to move up and dance and anything then. So there's business about them because they don't care about the money, they don't care about themselves, that's why. So As I said, I believe say our honorable Prime Minister, our honorable Broke God, yeah, he's doing a great job. I believe that. I believe say man do a great job and angle is calm as possible and try and do the best to it. I'm doing the best, not a lie. So as me I say, stand on the yard, take on yourself and walk on the hand sanitizer and face mask. We're supposed to have one right here already. Already one here, see ya. Already face mask, man, you can't fit. What's going on? Yeah, but don't judge me, I'm handicapped to that. You see me? Oh, you see ya. So them have a red face mask and everything. Well ready for touch and ready for anything going on. You see it, so yeah. I'm really fancy them. Really fancy them at all. So yeah, when you protect on yourself and everything. I never couldn't get to make this video as long as possible, but I want everybody a shout out. Thanks for supporting me. Yeah, everything I'm going to try to do as much more video. I have some video I want to get sick. Now I do a story time. Yeah, I do a story time. First story time. Probably about 2 hours as much as possible. I do a story time and everything. So yeah, so gonna like, share and subscribe and don't forget to comment. I'm remember to comment a lot so I can do a reaction to my comment them or say how they think about the current thing. Because I think people say a 5G and then shit and everything. But I know you don't know what you are off yet. So just leave it right there. I'm maybe a part 2 of this if you get me. I research some more information about the corona stuff. I know a lot about all I know is mumbo jumbo and I not eat too much. So don't want to like, share and subscribe and don't forget to comment so if I end the video here so because you give make it to a long time, never get it as long as possible so you can listen to what I say, think but we try our best to talk what I think is very necessary and important. Turn on the yard, have an hand sanitizer, get a face mask and everything now upon RSD. So want to like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it as best as possible. I want to reach 400 subscribers now. Please share it, please let me go, please let me reach 400 subscribers, please. And at 400, and we have already a goal to go to 500. After 500, 600, and I don't know, 600, we just jump down 1K and start to do as much giveaway and everything. Link up with 3 tubers, as you link up with 40p and V. Yeah, 40p and Vivo, and link up Kyle and channel, Kyle Pro Gaming, and link up everybody, link up Alan Queen Jada channel for me, please, and go look for that video and share some good video. And if you link up your 3 tubers, and remember that you know, I'm going to link up and share to everybody. And please get us to 200 subscribers, yes. And me now, I'm going to reach 400 and everything, so I try and best with that and everything with someone to do. Bear with me for the time, as see, let me start pop out some more video, you see. This as much like as I can. I'm on pretty satisfied. Bye bye, people.